What's up, beautiful people out there? This is again Ashish from ashvircreations, and guys, today I'm gonna give you Fairytale Blue mobile Lightroom preset, desktop Lightroom preset, as well as the camera preset XMP in format, right? So all you're gonna do is just download this mobile Lightroom preset from ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com, and here is the desktop Lightroom preset rare file. Just right click on it and select extract here. Also, this is the camera preset XMP format. Just right click on it and extract here, so it will extract the folder. As you can see, .lr template. FP stands for filter preset Fairytale Blue AVC 2020 and blue, and here is the second preset. So these are the two preset, right, of Fairytale Blue, and here is the camera preset .xmp format, and here is the mobile Lightroom preset in .dng format. So let's open up the Lightroom and let's see how this actually looking the preset. Let's apply the preset to this photo. As you can see, I have already installed in my desktop Lightroom. I'll show you later on how to install the preset in desktop Lightroom, right? So first of all, we'll just see how this preset is looking if you apply this to your photos. Let's try it on this photo. Wow guys, this one is literally so amazing. So as you can see, this one is really making your photos to kind of, unique kind of vibe it is giving to the photograph. So you can see the difference. This one is really so cool and creative. Let's apply it on this photo so you can see the difference, guys. So guys, you can use this preset in your, especially in the night portraits, or if you want to create or indoor portraits, then you can use this preset. Also, you can just use them in your outdoor portraits, are also looking so amazing and perfect, right? So let's apply it on this photograph. It will create a kind of bluish pinkish vibe, right, on your photo. So this will make your photos to look more and more kind of cinematic touch it will give to your photo. Let's apply it to some other portraits. Wow guys, this one is so dope. So you can see the difference. It is really giving a fairy tale kind of touch to the photograph, which is so amazing part of this preset. Here are the two presets which you can use them in your editing game. You can see the difference, guys. Really, this one is so creative, and especially the blue and pink vibe is really making your photos to make a kind of cinematic touch of a night portrait, right? So this is very important part of this, and the violet effect, pinkish violet effect, is really making it look so impressive. So you can see the difference, guys. So I'll show you how to install this preset in your desktop Lightroom as well as in camera preset. So all you're gonna do is, let's select the .lr template. Just right click on it and select the copy, and we're gonna install it or to our desktop Lightroom. Go to CTR, select the user, go to the ashvircreations user or whatever user is your PC name. Go to the app data folder. This folder would be hidden, so make sure to show this folder. Just check mark the show hidden files and folder. Now go to the roaming, select the Adobe, go to the Lightroom, go to the develop preset, and you can paste inside any of the, you can create your own folder, or you can paste inside user preset or inside the 2020. I have already installed. As you can see, I have no need to replace it. Here is the FP blue and blue 2, right? And here is the XMP format, that is our camera preset of Photoshop. So just right click on it, select copy, and we're gonna again install it. So go to the CTR, select the user, go to the ashvircreations user app data folder, and roaming, Adobe, and here before that we have gone to Lightroom folder. Now we will first go to the camera and just go to the settings and just paste the preset over here. I have already installed it. So as you can see, you can paste over here and restart your Photoshop, and you will find it on the preset tab in the camera. Let's open up, go to the filter, select the camera filter, and just go to the last tab, that is a preset tab, and here you can find FP Fairytale Blue. So you can see the difference. See, these are the two presets which you can find on preset tab of camera. So I hope you all have enjoyed this preset. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make cool videos and presets for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed yet, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can just download all the presets just for free. And if you haven't visited my second website, that is filterpreset.com, just go and visit website. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.